Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Astro Money Guru. Welcome all of you today on 2nd December 2021. In this episode, I will discuss about my views on Indian stock markets and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. So currently the Indian markets have opened in a positive note. Nifty 50 is trading at around 17,275 and it is almost at its today's high, and the time is at 9:50 a.m. and Bank Nifty is also marginally up and volatile. In fact, Bank Nifty is sometimes show in a red sign and sometimes it shows in a green sign. So Bank Nifty is very volatile, but the Nifty is showing strength. And if we see the yesterday session of the US market, the US markets opened in a positive sign, and after struggling few hours it went up by around 500 points, and from plus 500 points it fell to minus 500 points. Almost 1000 points profit booking have been seen, and on an intraday basis from its daily high to daily low. And it was just because the one case of Omicron variant of the coronavirus. And also if we see the S&P 500 VIX, that is the volatility index, it crossed the level of 30 and it closed at the level of 31.12, which is very alarming situation, especially for the American markets. The one thing which I cannot understand is why the global markets are reacting violently on the Omicron variant of the coronavirus, since it is not the only new variant of the coronavirus. It is almost the 14th or 15th variant of coronavirus, and whenever the previous variants have been come up, there was no such violent behavior by any of the economy, any of the country's stock market. But this Omicron variant is making the world markets react violently. And if we see the impact on health by this Omicron virus, it originated by in the South Africa and some African countries, but there have been no death have been declared so far because of this Omicron virus. And in US also there is only one case reported of Omicron virus, and because of which the Dow Jones fell by around 1000 points from its highs, which is quite shocking. And the most shocking news is that the S&P 500 VIX, that is the volatility index, have crossed the level of 30, and in fact it closed at the level of 31.12, which is very alarming situation, especially for the American markets, as above 30 it has been seen during the coronavirus market crash, and before that it has been seen during the Lehman Brothers crash. Although the India VIX is at almost 19 to 20 points, which is quite comfortable for the Indian markets. Also, if we see the FIIs and DIIs data for the yesterday's session, FIIs sold by more than 2000 crores in cash market in the yesterday's session, but in the yesterday's session DIIs have bought more than 3000 crores in cash market, almost 1000 points more than the FIIs selling amount, which shows that the DIIs are there to hold the markets and support the market. But if we see the American markets, we get some worryful for the Indian markets also. Although the American futures are showing strength now, and they are up by almost 0.5%, whether it is a Dow Jones or Nasdaq 500 or S&P 500, all are up by around 0.5%. All their futures are up by around 0.5%, and Asian markets are also mixed. So currently, according to my analysis, it is advised to go for the investment rather than trading, and the high risk traders are advised to book timely profits. And from now on, from the current levels, I am not expecting major upward movement. Some volatility can be seen in the Indian markets, and also some profit booking can be seen. from the current levels, that is 17,275. I am not advising, I repeat, I am not advising fresh long positions in the Indian markets, especially in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And if you are holding the long positions, it is advised to book your profit for short term perspective, as the markets are really in a very dangerous dangerous turn, and it can move violently in any direction. So I hope you liked our analysis. See you in the next episode. That's all for the today's episode. Thank you and good day.